Okay, you've just received your clock, and I'm going to show you how to install the hands. First of all, you're going to have 3 pieces total. A short, a long arm, and a small threaded nut. First of all, you're going to take the shorter arm, which has a hole in it. There's the two pieces. One has a hole, one has a slot. So the first one with the hole, you're going to put it on the shaft, pushing it down very carefully, trying not to bend the arm. Then the second one, you're going to line it up. There's a little slot on there. You'll take a look at it and you'll see the little slot, and line that up to the slot on the end of the shaft. Pops right on. Then you're going to take the small threaded nut, being very careful not to cross thread it, and you'll know if you got it on right because it'll thread down very, very easily. And in fact, what I would do is start threading it on and then take a look at it and make sure it's going down straight. You'll be able to tell. Then, to tighten it up, you're going to, on the back side of the clock, there's a little adjustment dial. You're going to take this dial and you're going to hold it while you tighten the nut on the front side. And you're just going to do it finger tight. Once that's done, you need to align the arms, get both of them lined up to say 12 o'clock before you put the battery in. Otherwise your clock will never hold correct time. And then there's your adjustment knob on the back if you want to test it and spin it around, and you can see how the arms will line up to the hours, and if for some reason they're not lining up properly, make the adjustment before you put the battery in. And that's it. Enjoy your new clock.